we give you. So instead of going to so you can do and go to 4 on your left hand while you remain on 5 on right. So contemporary. Glory, we worship you, our God. You are worthy to be praised. So next time you do that, we give you, or you could go to worthy to be praised. So the lesson here, we give you, then you go to 4 on the left while you remain on 5 on the right, and your 5-1. We worship you. This popular progression, our God, you are, or you are worthy to be. I remember myself, the great Johnsonkeyz. Don't forget to get my intermediate piano course where you learn a lot of these stuff with MIDI piano, MIDI files to practice, PDFs, and everything you need in a standard course. God bless you. Bye.